fertility is not only for fuzzy logic. Fertility could be for any place. Fertility is a very strange word, and fertility is not only for your own well. Fertility is for more. This can be expressed by this different rule. The good and more efficient way of doing something of a universal value is by carefully looking and working at a local or particular level. This is very important. And this is a statement, a rule, that sure will be shared by a lot of important philosophers. Wittgenstein, that destroyed the philosophy of language, that just language philosophers were telling in general. He just was talking very particular subjects. And he destroyed philosophy of language. Cervantes. Don Quixote is very localized. La Mancha is very local problem. It's a universal one. Picasso. Remember a lot of the Mosaics d'Avignon, a rich house in Barcelona, or Guernica, very particular situations. Great mathematicians, Luis Santaló. Santaló, born in Spain, was an Argentinian. Santaló was one of the greatest mathematicians of the 20th century. He was extremely against general ideas. He created integral geometry. And he created integral geometry for very elemental problems. He studied very simple problems. And from these very simple problems, he created integral geometry. And he was recognized as the creator of integral geometry. This idea of thinking on very local problems, sometimes small problems, but making ground these problems, universalizing it. All that is extremely challenging for young mathematicians. I think that is extremely challenging. You have the possibility of creating a new discipline. They call mass methods of fuzzy logic. This could be a new discipline. Very important for fuzzy logic, and of course, very important for mathematics. Like mathematics play an important role in physics, I do believe in the importance of this new discipline for fuzzy logic, even when the topics you consider do have a close relationship with the proper words in fuzzy logic, these local problems, these concrete problems. You are able to draw from these local problems theory, you will be respected. I hear a lot of times, maybe in Central Europe, that the agendas of mathematics and fuzzy logic are coincidental. This is not true. Is that the agenda of mathematics is coincidental with the agenda of physics? Is the same? No. Of course, mathematics play an important role in physics. Of course. And of course, mathematics play an important role in fuzzy logic. But the agendas are not coincidental. This new discipline I suggest to you, well, I suggest that you should create it. I am too old now. But the agenda of this new discipline will be part of the agenda of fuzzy logic, provided mathematicians develop its work in direct relationship with current open problems in fuzzy logic. This is your challenge, to introduce mathematics in current open problems in fuzzy logic. This is your challenge. Obviously, they will not do it. I'm sure that the future of fuzzy logic is completely with us. I'm sure. Maybe I will be wrong, but we need 10 years to know that I am wrong. Let me move by the moment in this hypothesis, this smell hypothesis. Then the necessity of modeling the contextual and purpose-based meaning of sentence in natural language is a crucial. Hence, mathematical analysis of natural language. It does not exist. mathematical analysis of natural reasoning. It exists in this small part of fuzzy logic. These are very challenging subjects. Look, for example, concerning the first, mathematical analysis of natural reasoning. You can compare two works. The works that are published by linguists on antonymy, sides, and the paper he published with Moraga 3 or 4 years ago. Compare. Look how the introduction of fuzzy sets allows them to consider much more information. How you can do more things with our model than with the models linguists they have. A lot of such is like that in mathematical analysis of natural language. Look at the work by, I think it was German, Grebner, on quantifiers. With the book of Grebner, you can do a lot of things on quantifiers, impossible to do with what linguists did with quantifiers. And there are a lot of such in that way. For example, we know the limits of the current algebra fuzzy sets, analytical non-negative. You know the limits. You know the limits. For example, we know that if there is no commutativity, we cannot use the norm, of course. But which are the limits? Who can present a problem clearly you cannot modelize with these current algebras? You have no a real problem. Mathematical model of the cognitive, mathematical model of large complex sentences, verbs, actions. Who knows anything on that? No one. Non-deductive reasoning under imprecision. We know something on non-deductive reasoning with precision in lattices, in ortholattices. We start to know something with preorders. We start to know. But this is an enormous field that is almost empty. And a lot of algorithms can create much of that. I will not repeat this idea. Rights and leaders. I only know a right for you and for me. Not only for me. It is always work at your own. All problems are your problems, and you will never become a scientist. This is the only right I recognize. I advise you to do it without necessarily strictly following the view of others. Take your own points of view. You will be mistaken the first time, the second time, the third time, and the fourth time. But at the end, you will be not mistaken. This is, for me, is your essential strength. Originality and fertility are your first duties. Hence, you have to be original. At the time, you need to work at your own. I hate the PhD thesis inside projects. I hate it. The PhD student is not working in his own idea. Of course, there are exceptions, of course. But usually, the PhD student is not working with his own idea. He's working in the idea of other. To start to work, this is not bad. But the PhD is a crucial point for people. This is like in James Bond. You can kill. It is supposed that you pose a complex problem and you accord some solution. This is PhD. Okay. Of course, you should pay attention to the senior researchers. For what? For everything. To know if what you are proposing concerns fuzzy logic. To know if the methodology you propose can be correct. I think that in these points, the experience of senior